Of pictures on your channel. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. As you see here, let me start the car to turn the steering column so that to see. Today we have this car here, and what we have is this piece was replaced. This piece, we have a water on it. This is a lift gate control module in the back. Now it doesn't work. Let me stop the radio from any music or sound. Okay, let me just put this one here. Okay, let me go back. I'm gonna try to go and get as clear as possible. Okay, now I'm gonna try to go to auto hex. This, I hear a music background from the street, right? Close the trunk. Close the trunk, let me see. I don't want to get strike, so I'm gonna go to auto hex here to do my coding and programming. I'm gonna go to BMW. I don't have no update, so I gotta go to coding and programming. The lift gate module now is not gonna work. That's the original part number. If you want something like that, if you want to order for your car, so now let me go to coding and programming. Let me come here. Now here I'm gonna try to look at the piece that I'm looking for it. Junction, tire pressure, dynamic stability, parking, media, rain, siren, roof, gear switch, instrument cluster, emergency, computer information, park distance, controller, lit, rear lit module.
Yeah, that's it.
Rear lit module, this one here. Okay, let me see now. See, we don't have no coding 20. Let me see now what's gonna happen. Finalize, process, restore, restarting, complete, and you see here VIN number coming, coding complete. Go here, exit. I want to see one thing. This is E70 20 what 2011. What year this car is?
13.
2013 E70. What engine size?
It's a BMW.
No, I said what engine size?
This is a 3.0.
3.0, yeah, small engine. Car is running. Let's see now. Okay, now I'm gonna try to go down and see if it's gonna work. Yeah, see now, let's go by itself. All the way up by itself. Push it down. Yes. Close, yeah. No headache now. So everything look okay. Thank you for watching. That's a quick software and programming. See you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. This is the older one, and this is the part number. And let me know where is the location for it. Can you open it?
You're not gonna get
On the right side corner.
right side luggage compartment.
Okay, that's it.